Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this electric planer from Parkside, the model PEH 30D4 with high quality carbide blade, rated input 750 watts, planing width 82 mm, cutting depth from 0 to 3 mm, rebite depth maximum 18 mm. Accessories included, designed in Germany with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this power tool and see how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. With a 3 meters cable, very convenient. We have the guide fence. Remove the screw. To install the guide fence, you can do that at the left side of the tool. Remove the screw and install this connection. And then we need to use the screw, remove the washer, and then the guide, washer, and then you can adjust further in and out. And then we can install a default depth here. Let me remove the guide for now. And that goes here. And we have a measurement from 0 to 20 mm. It is your choice if you want to use the default depth or the guide. And you can adjust it. Here we have this adapter for your vacuum, for the extraction of the dust. You can install that here if you want to use your vacuum for the dust extraction. And of course you can lock and unlock the ejector. Unlock. You can remove that, clean it if you want. It has this gap, alignment, and lock. Left and right we have the safety lock, the on-off switch. You can use the on-off switch, you need to press the safety lock and then use the on-off switch. Soft elements on the switch and soft grip. It feels very nice to my hand. You can use it with one hand. And here it is the dial for setting the cut depth, measuring from 0 to 3 mm. And you can adjust. We can see how it's moving further out and in this plate. Aluminium plate. And of course here we have the carbide blade. Using this key and the Allen key, you can remove the carbide blade, replace it after a long time of use. And here we have the lateral cutter block guard, the parking shoe, I like the name, nice and smooth surface. And here we have and the cover for the drive belt. Let's remove the cover. We need to remove these 4 screws. And there is the belt. So you can replace it after a long time of use. Very long time. So don't use this tool without the cover, very important for your safety. And let's install again the cover. Perfect. And of course, if you want, you can remove this plate, aluminium plate. Now let's move on outdoors and use this planner. The tool is equipped with dust extraction system that helps keep your workspace clean. You can connect the planner to a vacuum cleaner or dust bag to collect wood savings, reducing mess and improving visibility during use. The planner offers an adjustable depth setting, allowing users to choose the exact amount of material they want to remove, with a maximum planning depth of up to 3 mm. You can perform both light and more aggressive cuts depending on your project's requirements. Has a planning width of 82 mm, which is standard size for most electric planners. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of woodworking tasks, from smoothing large surfaces to trimming edges. The Parkside electric planer is a versatile power tool designed for precision woodwork. Making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, is perfect for tasks such as planning, smoothing and leveling wood surfaces, as well as creating chamfers on edges. One of the standout features is the integrated chamfering groove on the front of the tool. This allows you to easily create beveled edges, which is useful for both decorative and functional purposes in woodworking. The Parkside electric planer is a well-rounded tool that combines power, precision and ease of use, making it a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Whether you are working on furniture, doors or general woodworking projects, this planner provides excellent results with its adjustable settings, ergonomic design and efficient dust extraction system. It's a cost-effective solution for both casual DIYers and more experienced woodworkers. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tool reviews, DIY tips and woodworking projects. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.